Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Raya box number 1. This puzzle was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of the Raya box number 1 is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the box. As you can see right now, it is not a solution since there is a hole in the box and there is one piece that is sticking out. So we have to remove all the parts from the box and try to find the only possible solution that will allow you to put all 6 parts inside. And if you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that there are 3 L-shaped parts and 3 square parts. And that's not all, since the box has a restriction here. There is a critic piece on top that doesn't allow you to move the part, to put the parts inside freely. Like, you can put this L-shaped piece inside like that, or maybe like that, or even like that. But once you put it inside and slide it to the left, for example, you won't be able to move it up. So to remove it or to put it inside, you have to slide it to the middle and remove. Or if you put the piece like that, you still can't remove it. Even if you move it here, you won't be able to remove it. You have to move it to the middle, and only then you will be able to remove the L-shaped piece. So this restriction is quite tricky, and it cuts a lot of possibilities that maybe you can think that it can work, and you have to find the only correct solution. The Raya box number 1 is a part of Raya box puzzle series. All puzzles look very similar. They all come with the same style box, but the pieces may be different with a different shape. And each puzzle, there are 8 in the Raya box series, has a unique solution. If you like the Raya box number 1 and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other puzzles from this series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So I'll start by putting parts outside the box in such a way how they will be inside, since I have to remind myself the solution. So the parts will be like that. It will be very easy to remove this piece, then you slide this down, remove it, then you can slide this to the middle, remove it. Then we have 3 parts left. This goes down, this goes to the left, this goes up, and you can remove this piece. Then you can move this here and remove, and then remove the last piece. So okay, now let's put everything back inside. This piece goes here. Then we put this square inside, move it to the right and up. Then we put this piece, it goes down to the left. Now we move the square piece down, this goes to the right. This L-shaped piece goes here. Now you put this L-shaped piece inside and slide it all the way to the left. And we have only 2 square parts left. One goes inside, and then you put another, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, there are no gaps, there are no sticking out parts, and all 6 parts are inside of the box. Obviously, you have to know how to remove everything to complete the solution. So you remove both square parts first, then you move the L-shaped piece to the right until it reaches the middle of the box where there is a cutout. You can remove it. Now, this L-shaped piece goes down, this goes to the left, this square piece goes up, and you move this L-shaped piece to the middle, and you can remove it. Now you can put the square piece down to the left and remove it, and then you remove the last piece. And that is the solution of the Raya box number 1. A great puzzle from Yavuz Demirhan. There is a logo of Yavuz right here on the box. If you like this puzzle, you have to try the rest of the puzzle from Raya box series, since all of them are great. All of them have a unique solution, and it will take you quite some time to solve all 8 of them. You can find all puzzles from Raya box series at puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.